I start the recording now. Okay, I just post the simple GUI to you. Can you try execute them and then send the display to our line group? How is it? Anyone managed to run the program?
Sir, it is not running, sir. It is giving some sort of error.
Oh. Okay, I can show you what yeah, this is what I get. So I can click something like this. I can add links. Something like that. And it's possible to delete. Yeah, are you getting this? Okay, Brian, Zain Abidin. Yes. Okay, Kitty Pop has it. And oh, only okay. Chan has it. How about others? Are you having difficulties? Okay. Oh, there are some errors. Node 2 PNG. No such file or directory. Did you copy the image to ppkg? Did you copy the image file?
No, I haven't copied thing.
Okay, you need all files. So I think simple thing you can do is to adjust the screen, change the images, and make it your own environment. Just to play with the program. Okay, Imran, Said, Mirza already have it. And you can create a network topology, right? And then possibly, oh, you have errors, being pain. Oh, same, cannot open. Are you using Microsoft or MacBook? Is it Microsoft or Mac? Microsoft. And you have the file in your directory. I think maybe you can share your screen then. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm sending you a PowerPoint file. What about to image link and cutter? Both files are needed, right? Okay, I have sent you a file. a queuing theory file to the line group. Yes, you can go through the file. Okay, Pranajit is getting it working. Mhm. Okay, can you add a new button to the program? Let's say uh, to save the topology in the file, and then make another push button to load, you know, the topology file. I think this is our objective for now. Okay, so Ali Muhammad is managing, and yes, so please can you add maybe two more buttons, one for save, another for load. Save means you keep the nodes and the link, using your own format, and then when the user click to load the file, the network is displayed on the. Is it okay? Is it possible to do that? Hmm? Uh, oh, the question. Okay, please create two new button. Okay, save and load. Okay, so that after you create your topology, the save button can keep everything in the file. You can have your own format to keep the file, and then the load button will allow you to you know read any topology from a file that has been previously saved. You got it? Okay. I think once you get one button, then you can show. Anyone having difficulties running the program, can you signal us? Or you can, raise your hand. Which image is this? Oh, pi image 10. Oh, do we have pi image 10? Where is pi image 10? Image 10. I don't see. Hmm. With yes, it's a good idea. Please use the simple idle to run the program, and you can find idle from this. And it's very easy. Then you load, you open the file. Well, it may look primitive, but it works for simple programs. Okay. Um, Pi image 10 doesn't exist. Hmm. Can you try again with idle? Your system is Anaconda, maybe. You will need to import. Hmm. Oh, another tool for saving the image. Well, to save a file. No, I don't think TK Enter has the has the save. I think you go through the internet and search for how to save a file in Python. And then for Zen, the code does not run. Can you share your screen then? Can you share the screen?
Yeah, okay, Professor, sure. I think someone else has already shared.
Oh, okay, me. Sorry, you can begin now.
Can you see, Professor?
Yes, you are using Spider, and what was the problem?
Problem is this: image pi image 22 does not exist.
So do you have all the image files in the same directory?
Yes, I'm using the directory.
Can you display the directory?
This one, I don't know whether you can see the folder which is being shown. I don't know. Is it shown to you? The folder D slash
No,
folder
no,
internet
no,
application.
no, no. No, we see only the program, only the Spider.
Oh, okay. So
Can you use the what is it? IE, no? What is it? The, ex- the directory in the window.
yeah, this is the directory,
Window E.
and
Press window button and E.
I shared it on the line, the
Oh,
direct, and in the same directory I'm using this code, and I have pasted that pictures too.
uh, I wonder if you are sharing the whole screen or just one particular window when you share your
Oh,
screen.
wait, let me check.
Click. Can you exit the sharing and then share again and click the right button that allow you to show the whole screen of the monitor? Can you try again?
Uh, the only stuff is say that okay, it's fine. Can you see it now?
Yes. Yeah. Can you how to say minimize the window? Minimize your spider window.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it. So you put
This
GUI simple
this
cutter.
one is my file name,
Yes.
and this one is a picture cutter. This one is a
And can
picture
you
link.
use idle? Can you go to the window at the bottom left? At the bottom left, open the
Where?
idle. Can you close the spider for now, for the time being?
Okay.
Go down to the bottom left corner, the window menu.
Desktop, you mean? Which one?
Bottom. Go all the way down. No. The window menu. You know, go to,
Okay.
yeah. And then press I. Search for idle. Yeah, do you have it?
It only shows this one. Idle, is it just like a exit command?
Oh,
Or
probably you don't have idle then, because you install using Spider, right?
yeah, it's in Spider with Anaconda. But
Mm.
Anaconda should be there, not using
Yes,
Anaconda
you have
is
it.
all the files.
Do you have it? Oh no, no, that's mine. uh, it is not Python idle, right?
Yes, it's Anaconda, Spider with Anaconda.
Ah, okay. Well, we go back and see again then. See the anaconda again.
Yes.
Which line that is complaining? Where is it from? Can you go up for the to see more message? Can you enlarge the window of the console where the errors are displayed?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Where is the starting point?
This is c/user something self.tk.call. I think it's starting point.
And I mean, when is the first? Can you scroll up the window for the errors?
Okay.
Tan suggests you install the
Let me do it. Let me restart it.
okay.
It would be more better.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, good. Yeah, that's it. That's better.
Let me run it again.
Read, please.
Yes, this is the problem. Again, it says that image 24 does not exist. I don't know which image is this.
So the
File.
first error may be that bt underscore image then. Uh, Tan suggests you to use Visual Studio Code. They are not happy with the BT node image.
Install Visual Studio Code to use Anaconda environment. Oh, so you mean that this is another application that I should embed with the
So this
Anaconda?
is the
Can't.
what is it? Um, it's like an editor, a very powerful editor, and we need them to for web development. This Visual Studio
Oh,
Code.
Visual Studio Code. Okay. Can you do you have a link for it to download? Than?
I think is the most popular. You know,
Just Google.
yeah, just Google.
Okay, I mean you mean that it's
For
solely
those
available.
who do web development, they will rely on this program.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's very common.
Then let me do that.
Hello, hey, yeah, I need help because you're using Spider, right? Yes, one of the students use Spider, and there is some error messages. The Python. It is something about the what is it? The display of the image. Well, if you're busy, it's okay. Don't worry. I manage my own problem. Okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. I send you a Zoom. Okay, I'm asking Fluffy to help. He is using Spider.
So this one is a Visual Studio Code, right?
Yeah, you can install them, you know, it's very useful. Anyone else who are not getting the program working?
There was another guy as well. I don't know whether his code is working now on his laptop or not, but he was also complaining the same.
Okay, good. Is he using Spider also? I think it has to do with the command that yes, uh, we can. Anyone else has a problem?
PPKG had a problem, I guess.
Has he fixed it?
He was also
PGKP, have you fixed your problem?
No, I try to use command console, Python in command console
To do what? To do.
to run the script of a simple GUI.
Does it work?
No, I'm trying.
Oh, okay. Do you have idle in your system?
No, I install Anaconda, but
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
either.
Okay. Wait. I think the error because, yeah, well, let me see.
So, Professor, I've just installed it, video editor, the one you Than just asked for. So, should I run it on this, or it will be compatible with Python?
This is just the theme you want, right? Just the color. You can pick anyone. He said you have to install Python. Tan, you have the command. I think you just choose the color you want of your theme. Okay. Can you show your error to Rafi?
Hi. Let me share my screen.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
hmm.
can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
Yes. This is the look up the Visual Studio to install Python interpreter. You select this attention
Mm-hmm.
and type Python. Yeah. This one from Microsoft. Install it, and the install finish, you have to reload the Visual Studio, and then uh, when you finish the installation, go to the file, press Control Shift P, get this, and enter interpreter, Python select interpreter, and it will show the Anaconda environment like this, and then you have the IDE. Okay.
Okay, I think it's good. Okay, can you share your screen again? I think Pruk has the same problem before with Anaconda, right?
Yes.
Can you? That's why.
Which
Yeah. Can you show the error one more time then? I can try Visual Studio Code also.
which IDE that he is?
Yeah. Can you share the screen again?
Install Python interpreter.
Zan Abidin, can you share your screen again?
Okay, Professor. Are you talking to me or Zainul Abidin? There are two people. I think me.
Oh, to you, because you have the problem, right?
Yeah.
So I asked Prik and Rafi to help.
Okay, so now as per his direction, I'm going to this Visual Studio.
Are you giving up on Anaconda? Then I can ask them to leave.
Yes, this one is Anaconda environment,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Can you show the error one more time?
Okay, the error Can you see the error? The right top corner? This one.
Yes. Hi.
Image doesn't exist. 36 doesn't exist. Means
I think the error
it depends on it.
started with the BT underscore node, because can you see the button underscore node square bracket image equal to image one?
Yes. I think
Anaconda doesn't like this syntax.
yes, because the image. Yeah. And comment it. Comment image. Can you try comment the this line? ปัญหาน่าจะเป็นที่ image
It is in the you scroll down. Can you go the line with BT underscore node in your program?
Okay, let me check it.
in file which file
113, this one. Underscore node. Oh, image one.
maybe comment this line น่าจะไม่มีปัญหาอะไร
Can you comment it the line? Just
This one I should comment?
yeah, please
Yes.
try.
Next one too.
yes
Right?
Probably not, no? This is,
no need
I think leave it first and run.
and run and check it
This one I should leave.
Please run, yeah. Lafi, if you have comments, please let us know. Huh?
Yes, I think I'm not sure. Maybe his image is not present.
The file, you mean?
Yes.
File.
Yeah, I think
Present.
it passed. And there is another. Can you comment the link also? Go down to 1 to 2, 1 to 1. The line 1 to 1. Same situation, 1 to 1. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
But again,
comment again then, because isn't it? It's the errors.
yes this and 1 to 9 also
Yeah, 1 to 9.
1 to 9. Okay. Let me run it again. Right?
Yes, please.
I think it run now. I guess. Isn't it? It run, but there is no plot. Let me run it again by clearing the variable, because maybe the previous variables were stored in the cache. So let me run it. Yes. Now the program is running,
ทีนี้
but there is no any plot, right?
ไม่น่าจะต้องใช้ตัวธรรมดา spider
เอายังไงดีจะ Rafi, what is your suggestion?
ที่
my
ลู
My suggestion is, have you tried to, what are you trying to get from here? Is it an image or GUI? Is
Yes,
it
it's a
something like
GUI.
that?
ใหญ่
It's a GUI.
Yes, I think for GUI programs, Spider often has some problem because GUI programs are interacted very well. You can see this again with the normal one that other news uses ideal, I think, because Spider often creates problems here with the image and other things. You can try that first,
Mm.
and then it will, I think then it should be more visible, because here I'm not seeing any plot. Don't you need any plot or something to show the image or something in the
Yeah,
GUI?
but it doesn't show. So actually, Luffy is a big fan of Spider. So, no, Zan, can you probably move to Visual Studio Code?
Oh, okay.
It's very powerful. Visual Studio Code is perhaps,
Can
you know,
can you see? Can you see it on screen?
yeah, yeah.
This one.
And then you install first, right? Right, Tan? We need to install, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And after the install, thank you, Luffy and Prik.
โอเค
Maybe
Thank you, Ajay.
that's the best advice, huh?
ครับบ๊าย
Okay. Okay, then. So see you
Bye-bye.
soon. Bye bye.
See you.
I use a solution that can send in line.
Okay.
Solution work for me now. I can run the GUI app.
Okay, thank you. So the Visual Studio is a good way, nah?
Tan is also suggesting some solution.
Oh,
Tan, is it for me, right?
yes.
Okay.
So maybe you can move to Visual Studio Code because later we will use Visual Studio Code too.
Yeah, because I'm just waiting for installation.
Hmm. Tang, can you can you show the screen again? How to run the program?
Yes, Ajahn.
Yeah, thank you. So, Zan, can you close your window, the sharing?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Sure, I did.
Okay, show again because I want to do it too.
Yes, you only have to.
Yeah, I think I have my Python installed. And how do I create a new workspace? Do I need to create a new workspace or just
Yes, new workspace, new file.
do I need it or not? Or just open the file?
Yes, open the file is the Ajahn.
Just open the file. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
And to run the file, you only have to press F5. Yes. So
Let me try. I cannot hear you so much.
press F5.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, go to the file, nah? New file or not, or open recent.
It's up to you.
Okay, let me open.
Yes. Just open the file. But you have to put this
Root main loop.
command.
Okay.
Root main loop. Yes.
Root main loop.
It's work with Visual Studio.
Okay. Root main loop. Hold on.
Why is that so? What is it all about?
What do you mean?
You just said that you have to add this command root dot main loop.
Yes.
What is for?
Let me manage. Apply. Nothing so. Okay.
Oh,
Let me look. Apply. So yes.
oh, I see.
Because with the IDE, we can command this line and it will run successfully. But with Visual Studio, you have to put it. Okay. Can you run it? If anyone have any trouble, please share screen and turn on the remote control feature. I will help you.
Okay, mine is working. Thank you, Tan.
Yes.
Have you managed to create a new button? Can you show a little by little? And San, how is your program working?
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Tan, can you show your program? Yes. Tan, are you going to display your program or I'll do it then? Okay.
No, I'm not finished the
Okay.
program.
I will do it and together. It's good. Let me try the Visual Studio Code. What we have is we have to declare, right? First, we have to declare, you know, a widget. In this case, it's a button. So I copy this, and the button is known as save, and it is attached to the frame menu. And we will call it like save. It is a compound because it has an image and text together. And then there is a command to that associated with it. Then we call them save file. And we have to look for images. Let's say we use cutter for the time being. And then it's the button save. Save and then save. Now, where to place the button? It should be 80 to 50. Okay, let me try. To 50. Save file, not define. Okay. We have to define a function. And save file. And just say pass. Continue. Step over. Stop. Restart. Okay. Okay. I think we everyone created a button first, and you can pick your own image from somewhere. Okay. So what you need to do, just add this part of the program. And I have downloaded a file name called save. And now I run again. Okay, the image is too big. So we have to subsample them. Okay, it's almost there. Still big. Okay. And when you press it, it will print.
Excuse me, Professor.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me about that? How you figure out that size of image? I'm facing the same problem.
Right now, I am just asking everyone to add a widget, a button widget.
Yes,
But
sir. I already added a button of save,
yes,
but the image is enlarged. Can you can you tell me how to fix it in a
okay, you
meaningful way?
can share your screen then. Let me stop the
Actually,
sharing.
I'm on my phone and I'm doing my program on my laptop.
Yeah. Can you share your screen?
One second, sir.
I think first mission just to get a push button, one push button. Yes, are you sharing the screen?
Yes, sir. I'm just sharing my screen. Actually, I
Okay,
was on my
thank you.
phone. I was just switching to my laptop. Yes, sir. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now I've added a save button.
Oh, you
As you
have
can
the
see.
button. Yes, good.
Yes. But the picture of save button is enlarged,
You can scale them by using the subsample.
So it's from where?
Go to the widget creation where you create your widget. Go down. When you create your push button, and you go down. Oh, down or up? Up, huh? Oh, down, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the subsample, you change 6 to other values. Let's say 10, then you have a smaller image.
Okay, sir. Right, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, very nice. Huh? And if you find a image.png, then there won't be any background.
like here.
Hmm? And what you want to do next? Whenever you click this button, it will run the function save file. So you go to the save file if you want to. Yeah. You didn't click the link, I think. You have to click again. Yeah. Yeah, now it is your duty to write commands to save this topology in your hard disk. So you
Yes,
have to you have to implement this part. You go to your save file, go to your program again. And
Save file
yeah,
permissions.
so you are now have to implement the save file. You know the commands under save file that you have to add, you have to do it.
Because I don't get your point from where I have to save.
You save the all locations of the nodes and then keep it in a local file. You need a you need a list of commands to do it.
Okay,
So
sir,
you
I'll try.
So okay, you go to when you click node, go to function, and then go up, go up, go up. Now the save is not doing anything because you didn't put any
Yes, sir.
commands. So now go up.
Yes, sir. Here my file definition.
Oh, you have XY save. Oh, you have done it or oh, I see. I see. Oh, you are already making effort. When you do the save, you don't need to bind. There's no need to use command bind. There's no
Yes.
need. You can. You don't even need to have an XY save. I think what you need is to read all the objects that already on the screen. Should I explain the program first or not?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay. Let me. Okay. Can I share the screen, right?
Yes, sir. I should stop sharing.
Thank you. Okay. As you can see, the program is not very long and you can do a few useful things. So let's start. Where is the main program? The main program begins here at line 83. This is where the program starts the execution. Now, above here, there are just function declarations and nothing is executed. Okay, nothing executed. The first command is say, okay, we want a graphical user interface based on the TK library. So we create an object which is called root, and this is a window object created by the TK. TK was imported here. TK imported. And then we can say, okay, let's put the title. Now you can change your title to whatever you like. Let's say I change it to my name. So if we run it, we should see the name appear on the top of the window. Then we say resizable. Is it resizable? True and true. Then we should be able to resize them. Yeah, you can see that this is resizable in both directions. If you don't want them to be resizable, you just say false, false. Now it won't move this direction, but it can move at this direction. Okay, and win width and win height. Now we define them to be 800 and 700. Then the window size is the parameter window size is convert this to string and string, and then use this geometry to set the window size. Now, if you set the win width to 300, then the window will be very narrow, as you can see. The win height is 400. Okay, and yeah, pick your own size. And also the background. If you want to set the background color, at the moment it is linen. Linen. You can choose to other color. You know, there are many color. Let me put it brown. So the background of the window has been changed. Okay, this is the big window. Now let me comment them. Okay, if we have only those commands, then you see a empty window with brown. But so I'm gonna go back to linen, and you can see that we have an empty window. After that, we will give you a frame. A frame. So we uncomment them and then run. We have created 2 frames, as you can see. One frame is for the menu. The other frame is for the topology. And for the menu, we make it 600. The height is 600, as you can see. And 600, the width is 140. Starting with x equal to 10. So the origin is top left corner. So we offset by 10 pixels. You can see 10 pixels are offset. And for the frame, this is for the frame topology. We make it same height, 600, but the width is whatever we have left from this 700. So we will have an exact here. Next, we give one push button in. Let's give one push button in. The push button now appears and it's clickable. Once you click, well, but the draw not defined. The draw, what is missing? Why do they complain? Draw. This is a button. Okay, because we don't have the canvas to draw. We need to enable the canvas. So for the canvas, it is the area where objects can be placed, like circles or line, and it is at the topology frame. Now it will work because we and we put the color. You can change the color to other color to see. Let's say pink. Okay, this is the area where we draw our network. And then you can add, okay, let's consider this one first. We pick the image. The preferred format will be PNG file, so that you don't have the background. It is transparent. And if the image is too big, if I comment this, then the image probably too big. Yeah, you can see the circle is too big. That's why we add this line. And you can control. You can even say 12. Then you have a little circle. So let's say 6 is nice. And these are the commands just have to add in order to connect the image file to the push button, which we define as BT node. And we place it, so offset is 10. That's why this is about 10 pixel. The width is 120, the height is 75. If you don't like this size, you can turn them into 125 and you get a bigger button. Okay, is it reasonable now? Would you like to show your work first? Okay, I think we better go step by step. You can modify your program and have them posted to the group. Okay. Yeah.
Professor, can I share the screen? I'm facing problem.
Okay. If you need help, just share your screen.
Sure, I'm trying to bring the save button widget, but it's not appearing. I'm getting an error.
How come I don't see you?
Share the screen.
Okay, please run the program. We don't see your screen. We see just one screen, which is your editor. You can share the whole screen, could not recognize save. You don't have, you need to have a file save.png in your directory. Do you have it? Have you download some file?
Yes, Professor.
Oh, you do. It's a PNG.
Yep. It's a PNG.
Oh, I see. Can you try with another file first? Can you download another file? Sometimes
sure,
there is an issue with the formatting. But you didn't do anything wrong, right? It's just Pranajit is getting his button. Rugby also has his program. Okay, I think you are getting the idea. Okay, please show your screen when you have, update them. Okay, I will continue. I will continue. Oh, okay. who is sharing this one? Oh, me? Oh, yes. Okay. Next, you can add more buttons, you know. So we run the program. We see the second push button with add link. And the next one is this one is a delete, so I change it to delete. Okay. So,
Professor, I'm getting the same error. I've changed the image.
Okay. Let me see again then. Can you use the same name, the cutter? Can you use cutter instead of save? Because it works for the other button. Yeah. Change download.png to cutter. Cutter, yeah. Cutter. Can you replace download by cutter? Cutter. No, you don't need to do anything there. Change your program. Don't do the file. Download.png, change it to cutter. Yeah, thank you. That's it. It should work. If it doesn't work, there's something wrong. We lose one button. Yeah. Yes, it works, right? Maybe you can.
No, Professor.
Yeah, maybe you can change the BT link. Because we are using image one. No. I mean, because we used BT link before. Okay, it worked now. Good. It was BT save with push button.
But for the save button, I'm using this image, download.png.
Yeah, maybe
button.
the problem. Try again then, because you have that error. Go back to download. Maybe it works now. Oh, it does not recognize. Could not recognize.
The property of the file should be PNG, is it?
Yeah, PNG is good. But some PNG file cause some problems, so we just have to find the right file. Yeah, we have seen these problems before. Just download from other website and hopefully
Sure.
it will work. Maybe some formatting. Okay. So how about others? Once you have your button added, can you share on the screen? Okay, and the next move now is yes. So we can create. We added more buttons, and first button is save. Call it save. Save.png. Probably it's good not to use the same name. So,
Yes, Professor, now it works. Thank you.
thank you. Okay, we created another button. Oh no, save or I don't have a file. I don't have the file save. Oh, I do. What is the problem? PT save. Maybe I am not or not. Where am I? Python simple GUI. I do have a save. Save.png. Save. Photo image save. Save. 250. Quality. Oh, okay. Okay, it's different location. Okay. Okay, how everyone doing okay or not? Okay, I think most of us is now getting the button going. Now we want to save them, so we write a callback function called save file. So implementation of the save is in here. There are commands you can use like yeah, I think we see the node first. Let me start. Can you see the screen? Can you guys see the screen, right? Okay. The callback function for add node is a create node. It is defined in the button there. See, create node. This is where you indicate the callback function command. Now, when the user click the button, it run this create node, and the create node is at the top. What does it do? It is dealing with the mouse and the push the click of the mouse. We say okay, let's bind push the left button of the mouse. Whenever user click left button of the mouse, it goes to run this function xy, which we define down here. And this function will give you the event. The event will give you the location of where the mouse is clicked, like x and y of event.x and event.y. It tells you where the mouse was clicked. And once you have the location, you use this command. Okay. This command say, okay, please create an oval, which is a circle that you see on the canvas. Draw. The draw is created as a canvas. Can you see the draw? Draw is an object that represents the area where you can put objects in. So it's a canvas. Then you create how big is the oval defined by the node radius. So x1, y1, isn't it? X, yeah. It is defined as the location here and there. So x1, y1, x1, y1 is here, and then x2, y2 is there. So you have the object, and the color of the node is sky blue. You don't like sky blue, then you can set C1. Then, oh no, it doesn't work. Okay. So it has to be color like orange. So we add orange. You can change the color. That is how you place the node. How about the link? The link we need you have to define two clicks. Click the first location and the second location. And the add link we'll call the function create link. So you go to create link, and the create link will bind the left click to this XY link, similarly to the XY of the node, XY of the link. Come here. We get the location where the mouse was clicked, and then this command is this command say, okay, item in draw means the whole canvas. File overlapping, so file whatever within the area defined by this x1, y1, x2, y2. Is there any objects within this area, inside this area? If yes, if that item is an oval, then keep it. So we know how many. When we click add link, if we click here, nothing happened because it is not near to any node until you click on the node. Then the color change to gold. So if you want to keep the same color as before, then sky blue. We add this, and once we click link and we click the first node, the color of the node change. Okay. We, of course, if you place node near each other, and if you click add link, oh, it doesn't change the color. Click link. When you check for overlapping, when you check for file overlapping, it cover like, you know, node radius of 10. So it could overlap more than one object. So we check if, okay, in that case, if there are more than one object inside this area of overlapping, then it just doing nothing. Yeah. Okay, let's see. It doesn't do anything because two objects are found. So it doesn't do anything because it is equal to 1. If we say greater than or equal to 1, then it will be different. It will pick one, the one that okay, we click here. Can you see it click? Because it now, when we say greater than or equal to 1, it will pick the first one in the list and then turn them into gold. And after that, they buy the left click with the end node link. End node link. This is the end node link. And then we send them the event together with the object that has been selected. So the second location, the second node location is given in X and Y. And again, we look if any objects inside the area, with the radius 10. If there is, then we check at the length. This means if there is at least one item, then we pick one of the node in the list. Then we check whether the select object 1 and 2 are the same select object. For example, you click here and then you click here again. Then if they are equal, then you say you click on the same node. And you're not going to do anything. You just draw both back to green. And then buy again, buy to this command, as if you are starting the clicking again. Yeah. And any question? Huh? Yeah, I think I have explained almost all of them. For the delete is similar. When you click X, Y, delete link or node, you delete link or node. Then you buy the left click to the command delete. Command delete, and whenever you click whichever object, it find the location. It check whether any objects are within the 10 pixels. Yes, if yes, delete them all. That's it. Okay. Hello. Are we okay with this or not? Is everyone okay? Shall we have a little break?
Okay, sir.
Yes. You have question or no question? Okay, we have a little break then. You can share your work in our live group. If you have a question, just put it in the live group. Okay, shall we update? We take turn then. Who is have something to show? Anyone? Have I turned on my microphone? Hello?
Hello อาจารย์
Okay. Can you show your update and can you share the screen? Pirayu?
I will send it to Line group.
Oh, send to Line group. Okay. So it's okay. We just want to see how you're doing. Yes. And so you have all the buttons as you like. The next step is just to implement the function to yeah. Okay, I hope you see the screen. Just implement them. How to implement them? You can use the commands that part of them you can use the command that are available already there. Anyone would like to share the screen? So we will implement the save. Supong, have you done the save?
No, no, not yet.
Yeah, but what you have? You have the buttons?
Yes.
Can you display the button then? Yeah, just post them.
อาจารย์
Yes.
what data should I save?
The data should save the node locations. The node locations. How many nodes are there? So you can retrieve them later. For example, we draw this, topology, and we want to save them for later use. When we click save, the whole data here should be kept and saved in the file. Later, you can click load to bring it back. That is the idea.
So what is the type of the file that should I save?
Yeah, any type you can design. I think this is free, open to you. Whatever file. And this is from Brian. He has a save and the load. Okay, let's try to do together then. Now the implementation is in here, the save file. What we want to know is okay, let me press just node. Maybe I press 3 nodes here, and I want to save them. So once we click the save, this function is executed. I can show you that it is printing. The save button is pressed. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, we run again, and I show you the display. When we click here, then nothing. Then we press save. You can see that the execute save button is pressed. Now let's see from the terminal also that every time we create a node, we can print it out. We can print it out. Print it out the node, print node, and can I print node and then followed by what? Can I print like this? X and Y. It works. It prints that there is a node and the location is 121 and 188. If we click here, X is 300 something and Y is 10, and press. So we see that we can keep the locations. So now we click the save, and the save button is pressed. Okay.
Professor, can you repeat this again? The location step.
What I was doing just to print something out. Whenever you click create node. We click create node, and you can see the update here. We click the node. Maybe we click it down here. Then there is a new node at 6, pixel number 6, and the origin is here for image. The origin is here, and 468 is the measure from all the way down here. Now, if I press again, the node appears. Can you see that? You can know the location every time you click the node. Okay, simply by print X and Y, which you obtain from the event. Are we okay with this?
Oh yes, Professor. Yes.
For the link, same thing. If you press the first node, we should show that we have print, print the source src followed by the location X and Y. This is when we add the link. So you can see what's going on. Node is appearing. Now we add a link, and when we click the first node, then it says source is 166, 154, which I think it refers to this one, 169. And then we click the second node, then a link is drawn. So if you want to see maybe we should say link, and then node 1, N1, and then the end link is here. If the end link is a successful, then we should be able to print N2, N2, and then X and Y again. Let's see, but it will go to the next. Let's see. Node appear, add link. We click the first node. Show that we have pressed node number 1 at this location. Then we also click the node number 2. Okay. If we add the link, the first link and the second link, all right. So to save them, we can use this command, oval list. Okay, we want to know how many nodes are there on the screen. We use this command. Drop file overlapping, and we're going to cover from the top to the bottom. Is it the top from the bottom? So we should start from 0, x0, y0. How big is the canvas? The canvas is about this size. So I can use win width and win height, and win width. If x is the win width, and then the y is the win height. Okay. And then if we ask if the items are oval, it will show. We can print oval list. To print the oval list, then we have to do for loop. For object ID, in oval list, then we printing object ID. The object ID, what else can we do with it? This is an item config. Item config. Item config. Select object. We can config them, but what if we want to read the location? tk enter or item to read the location, to read location. How to position? How to read position? Okay. Okay. Add chat box. Oh. Oh, you can find all actually. Okay, let me try. You can use find all, I believe. Let me try. Find all. No. and then we print the object ID. Let's see whether this is working. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 objects. Now add one link perhaps, and then press save. Find all takes one positional. Well, okay. We don't need this at all. It means find all. No? We don't tell them the area. Don't need to tell them the area because it will search for the whole area. Okay, as you can see, there are 4 objects. Yeah, 4 objects. Now, if you press more 5 and save, then you have 5. Now, if you add links, it won't change because we have this. We concentrate on the number of ovals. If you want to know the link, it will be this is the oval. Select create line. So this is line ID, create line. So it's supposed to be line then. Then we say line. And then not over this, it will be the line this. Okay, we can print the object ID in line this, and then print object ID. This one is for the link, and this is for the link. Okay, we print nodes, and then print links. Okay. Okay, add one node and then you save that there is one node and no link. Add one more node, add one link. We save them, we see that node 1, node 2, and link numbers. And the ID of link is 3. You add one more, 2 more, then you save. You see, link 1, 2, 4, 5, and then link number 3. You add one link. There would be more links, 3 and 6. Okay, so we can keep track of the topology. Now all we have to do is just save them. We need to know the location, so let's find out what are the commands to do to find the position. Method on canvas object. Hmm. 10. Do you know how to find the location?
Draw dot cut action.
Huh?
Draw dot cut
Is that
item.
Yeah, have you post the command to the group? It's like a coordinate or something. Yeah, find them all is the item. Yes. And then oh, it will give the index is the object ID, isn't it?
Yes, Asha.
Okay, thank you. So we can also print the coordinate, yeah, of the object ID. And it gives you what, X and Y. Let's see whether it works.
Actually, it's give you for information.
Is it object ID that I should
Oh,
put?
sorry. Uh, I forgot the S.
S coordinate S here. Okay, thank you. So what is this? It gives you the x1, y1, right? And x2, y2. X1, y1, x2, y2, I suppose. And what when you click, yes. And how about the link? The link we have to, how do they define the link? Same. Yes, the link. Yeah, same, huh? 184 and 139. So it is here, yeah? It is this node, isn't it? This node, because this one, yeah, it is the middle between 174 and 194 is the end node of the link. Yeah, that's it. We have the locations and the ID. Up to you how to name them. So any easy save command? Do we have any easy save file? So now if we save the coordinates, then it is easily displayed. Tan, you suggest any commands to save file?
You can use pickle, Ajahn.
Pico,
Yes.
okay. Pico. How to use them then? Pico. In Python, no? Pico in Python. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Shall I try then? Import pickle, import pickle, and then so we have to save the coordinates. We cannot save the object ID. It will change. So okay, this is a pickle object serialization. Let's make it simple. This one they use dictionary. Do we keep dictionary? Okay. Can we use dictionary? File name.
You can say on the variable.
But open file name, open, but open is a pickle function. It's
Yes,
saying,
Ajahn. Just pickle dot open.
okay. Thank you. So we need a pickle dot open and a fixed file name. Let's say net dot. How about text? Is it okay? Net dot text. Now do we open like that? Let me see. Open file name. WB means what? Write and not sure what is B. Binary. Okay, now we have a file and what is the next step? Dump. We open to our file. And then dump, and then close, so copy both. Equal dump and our file close. First step, we open at the beginning. We read all the objects. And then we dump them. Can I continue dump 2 times? Our file.
Dump good, Ajahn.
Can I repeat the dump command?
Yes, Ajahn.
Okay. Does it have to be a dictionary for us to dump, or can I?
You can dump unstructured variable or on variable into one file.
So if I do like this, is it okay?
Yes.
I dump the
Oh, once you dump, you will erase previous information.
reverse the information.
I suggest you to append all of it and dump together.
Okay. So the all net element. Okay, starting with, can I keep them as a list?
On time, Ajahn.
Huh?
Whatever you want.
Okay. So I start with all net elements as a list, then append, right? Append this coordinate. But will we know then we don't know what it is then. Whether it's a line or it's a node, is a link or a node. What should I do? Should I
Draw dot type.
hmm?
Draw dot type.
Yeah, we are keeping, is it the, where is the program? Yeah, it is a list, isn't it? This is a list. Or we keep them as a dictionary. And then count them. Can I count them? Count link, count node first. Starting with 0. And is it append? Can I do a string? Does it work like this? This is a node n plus string count node. Do you think this is okay? Count node add one at a time. Would it work?
I think it's more complex.
I
Huh?
think the object ID has already
Yes, but
Yep.
the ID they mix between link and nodes. So I separate them so that we can put number for the nodes also. Isn't it? Does it work, by the way? No. How do we add append a dictionary?
Can I suggest another with the dot? We can keep it as x and y. With the line, we keep it as x1, y1, x2, y2.
Yes.
So with the dot, we make x equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2.
Oh, you
the
mean
same to I.
center. You mean keep the center?
Yes, and then you have two x and y as dot, and x1, y1, x2, y2 as the line. So that's the line equal to 2 is a dot, and line equal to 4 is a line.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's possible. Okay. Okay, let me try this first, nah? And I come back to what you said. This is also working or not? Working, right? This is the way to do it, nah?
Yes, sir.
Cool. maybe, yeah, okay, I add 2 nodes and then say pick is not known. Where is the pickle? Okay, I save 2 nodes. Has no attribute open. Oh, pickle have no attribute open. Oh,
Let me set.
pickle have no. Open. With as object and then file. Dumb is okay, right? Dumb is okay. Out file. So it has to say.
So file equal open. No need to echo. No need echo. Pickle. Yeah.
No need pickle.
Yes. Yes.
Out file equal open. Just like that.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
My mistake.
Oh, it is creating N0, N1. And then for the, then we have count link. And then count link. I can start with 1 or 0, 0. Okay. And then count link. And then coordinate as normal. All network elements. All network elements. This is node. Why we print it here? Okay, I print it here. Add link. Save. So we have this 184. Oh, not okay. I have. Okay, let me see. We count node. And then count node. Object ID. Count node. Count link. Print link. So this has to be linked. So it is working, right? N0, N1, N2, N3. Now I add 1 link and save. N0 is correct. N1, N2, N3, and then link 177. Yeah, it works, right? Okay. Oh, you have done the save and load. Very good. Okay. Now I will add load button. Can you show how to use then 10? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you show how your program works? You want to show your program?
Let me share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Can you see my screen now?
Yep.
Yes, this is say topo. First, we have to open a dialog to add where we say, and then just sent to you. I have to fire on the item, and I get s s equal to x0 plus x2 divided by 2. So this means I store the center, and also I store the color of it, and then I append. If it's light, I just append on the information on the coordinate and color, and then I say. Next, with lot tuple, I open dialog to ask where to open, and then I have to delete on the current in the canvas, and then I open the file. If line item 0 equal to 2, this means it's a dot. Sorry, it's a dot, and this means it's a line.
Okay.
Right? And then I have just to draw it. You say just draw cray over like this, and if it's a line, I just have to create a link with the for information. A link. This one. But
Yes.
it's not enough. So the format I say that if is a dot, as an is and is a s and y, and then color. Okay. Is either light, light is 0, 0, is 1, y1, then color. So means the item 0 is the coordinate, right? And item 1 is color. Okay. For example, I have this say above, say, okay, and then I draw something else, and now I want to add like that. Okay. Oh, beautiful. That's it.
Yeah, very nice, huh? Okay, how about others? You can continue and share your program later after class. I will also do my program and share with you. Is it possible or not? You think it's possible, everyone? Hmm? Everyone is very quiet.
Yep. Yes, Ajahn. Yes.
Possible, nah? So
Yep.
please submit this program later, yeah? And then we can discuss over the line group. I also do my program. It's beautiful to share different ideas. And next week, the deadline for the Sudoku. So next week, hopefully you can demo your program. Okay. Thank you, Saad Farooq. Yeah. If other feel that this is too hard and is not achievable, just let me know. Okay. But for now,